Hello! In this video, we will be talking about four main topics. The first is production engineering. The second, organizational engineering. Third, sustainable development of 2030 agenda made by United Nations. And finally, the bibliometric search methods and results. Mm, The production engineering is responsible for making a company more effective. So we have these areas here: systems approach, supply chain, quality engineering, organizational engineering, work engineering, operational engineering, operational research, product engineering, and economic engineering. So we are going we are going to talk about organizational engineering here because this is our area here. Those are the main topics about it. The first is organizational performance management, companies network, information management, technology management, strategic and organizational management, project management, knowledge management, and innovation management. As you see, there is a lot of managements because this area is focused on management as itself because it is responsible for administrating all organizational structure and strategies to make it more effective. And here is our digital poster. First, we got organizational engineering again with its topics: sustainable development of 2030 agenda and the TEMAC methods, which are the methods that we use to make this bibliometric search. We found it, we studied it at a site called Pesquisa TEMAC, which was made by Ari Melo, and we will be showing you now how to make that bibliometric research. So TEMAC means the use of consolidated meta-analytic approach. In português, teoria do enfoque meta-analítico consolidado. This is a method created by Ari and some other professors. We are using now the database, Web of Science, and about the cube, we put the calculus 1 at x-axis, the environmental, economic, and social aspects described at the United Nations agenda we put at y-axis. That will be our sustainable development. And for the z-axis we got organizational engineering, which is our area. Here are the results that we got when we did this research, right? So as you see, we have just OR command, which is Boolean command for expansion. So we found more than 1 million researches, more than 1 million articles. So right here, we are just putting more restrictive comments like and twice here. So it slowed down for 447 articles. And then here we got some here we got two and commands, but with a different way here. We are going to show you how we did that. So we just got 7 articles. This is the research of the other group project. And now we are showing you how we did that bibliometric search. First, we search on Google for periódicos caps. We enter the first site that it appears here. Okay. So we need to enter cafe because there are two options here. If you are not connected to the university Wi-Fi, your university, you need to put here the access cafe to make a remote access from your home. In case I'm an UNB student, so we click here UNB, we send, and this in the identification here is your the first part of your email, of your student mail. So this is my first part, my key. I put the password already. Okay. And now we come back to the main page of this site again, periódicos caps. But now we are searching for our database. So we click base and we insert the name of our base, which is Web of Science. This one. And now we are almost ready to do our research. We are doing our own codes, and that's it. One parenthesis is missing. Okay, no problem. And here is our results. As you see, we have more than 1,000,000 articles about it, but it's 1,180,000, which means, comparing to our last research, there are already more articles that were posted since we did this research. Okay, and now we are doing another research again to get less articles to restrict even more the research. Here. Done. So as you see, 454 articles, which means we got 7 more articles comparing to our last research, right? 7 more articles. And now we are restricting even more our research to get less articles. And let's see what we get. As you see, the same 7 articles we got before here, right? And this is how we use it.